How to download voice message in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. After that, at the top in the search box, simply write www.facebook.com. Log in with your account details. Once you do, in the home page at the top right corner, you will see Messenger option. Simply click on it and click on the conversation from which you want to download the voice message. Once you navigate the voice message, click on the three dots beside it and choose the option of download. And there you go. That is how easily you will be able to download voice messages in Messenger. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.